Hello guys, this is Khalid Siddiqui and welcome to a very exciting tutorial how to make particles of money fall by Trapcode Particular plugin in After Effects. So let's start. First, create new composition, select your project or practice HD and right here final. Then click OK. So before clicking OK, change the time 5 seconds. Okay, and now fit your screen. Create another composition by going to composition menu, new composition, and right here 300 by 300. So if you need to use three different particle, you must set 3 frame. Click OK. And now double click, import the particles, first, second, third. Import, and now select, drop here, press S, scale down the size, and change into 1 frame. So it's very important. Control K. So take a look, change 0, 0, 0, 3 frame. Click OK. And now you can cut again. Don't forget, set your composition to money. Control K, go to setting again, and right here, ammo. Okay. Select another, set here, press S, scale down the size, and rotate a little bit, like this. Trim the layer, select another one, press S, scale down, and set to 1 frame. So now we have 3 types of money. And now go back to your final comp, right click, create a new solid. And right here, P for particle. Set to comp size, click OK. And wait few seconds for particular load. Go to effect, go to Trapcode, select the particular. You can load particular plugin by clicking here and right here, particular, drag and drop on your solid. And another way, going to effect menu, find the RG Trapcode and select the particular, click, particle will be loaded in few seconds. And now we have the particle. Press space, take a look. This is a sample. Okay guys, and now I need to set 5 seconds. Control K, take a look, change to 0, 5 seconds. Click OK. Now we have 5 second composition. Our final comp is 5 seconds. Press space, notepad. Okay guys, and now I need to make my particle falling from up by changing emitter, change to box, and change emitter size XYZ individual, change the Y emitter to 0, change X emitter into 1000 or little bit more, change this one into 800. So, and now select particular, move it up, move up. Go back to environment. Set the gravity into 200. Take a look. when you play, how about the speed? How about particles rate? So if you need to change the particles birth rate, go to system and find particle second. I need just 35 particle in second. Play again. Now you can see least particles. So guys, and now time to using our favorite particle. Go to project, select the M composition and turn on the 3D switch. By pressing F4 on keyboard, turn on the switch and turn on the 3D switch. Select again the particle solid, go to effect control and go to where go to particles. Let's find the particle. There is the particles and change particle type spread. So change spread control layer M. Not bad. And now change time sampling to random still frame. So now change the size and change the random. Let's play now. Okay, and now I need to make little bit rotation. Find the rotation. There is the rotation. Change to 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let's see the result. Oh, too much speed. Change into 1%. Render again. Change this one 1 and this one 1 and change this one into 1. I don't need too much rotation. And change the speed into 2. Play again. Not bad. Okay guys, and now change the speed 0.5. Click again 0.5. Select 0.5. Click here 0.5 and select rotate the 0.5 and the percentage 0.5. So let's render again. Let's see. Now good. So guys, go to size. Let's say size overlay. Click on presets. I need to start small and big. I'm going to small like this. Select, apply. Play again. Let's see the results. Good. So guys, and now you can make keyframe for the rate. Take a look. First change to 0. Stopwatch. First change to 0. Great. Turn on the stopwatch and go to in 1 frame or 5 frame. Right here 1000. So after 1 second change to 0 again. Good. Take a look. Play. You can use this type of particles like a transition. Good. You can turn off again and write again. 150. So, okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to make particles of money by Trapcode Particular plugin. You can find this plugin in my Patreon account. You can find the link in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.